Hi there guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how this tool places the order on Shopify from listings. Firstly, you need to log in it. After logging in, you'll see a page called Add Shopify Store. Whenever you want to add a store, you'll need to enter all of these details. Currently, no store has been added, so that's why it looks like this. Now, I'll go to my Shopify store. Then further, I'll click on Add Shopify Store. 1 second. From here, there's a Settings option. After clicking on Settings, you need to go to Apps and Sales Channels. Then, click on Develop Apps, and after that, click on Create an App. Here, I'll write something like Order Shopify Store. You can write anything. You'll need to do this for every store that you want to add. Then, go to Configure Admin API Integration. First, you need to enable Read Apps. Then search for Orders and scroll down a bit. You'll find the option for Read and Write Orders. Select that. After you install the app, you'll get a token. Copy this token. Make sure to save it somewhere, because it will only be shown once. Enter this token as the API password. Here, you'll also have the API key. Copy it and paste it here. The store name will be here, and the store URL can be copied and pasted as well. Once you're done, click on Save Store. Your store will be successfully saved. If you want to add another store, just click on Add Store and follow the same procedure again. Or, you can go to the Add Store page, select a store, and you'll see all the stores whose APIs you've added. You can add as many orders as you want. There's no real limit of 1,000 orders. Even if you set it to 5,000, it will work the same way. From here, you just have to upload a file. For example, this is the file I created for this particular store. If you've reached the Orders page, that means the process has started and orders will begin placing. Refresh the page once. You'll see the total orders from the CSV file, as well as the pending orders. For example, if it shows that one order has been placed, that means the process is working. You have to refresh. You can also go back and add a new store. The procedure is the same. And yes, you can run stores concurrently. That means all the stores you've added can run at the same time. On the Orders page, if you delete a store, it will be removed and no more orders will be placed for it. If I go back to the Orders page again, you'll see that orders have started placing. Look, here's a new order. All the orders are coming in. The names are the same because I didn't manage the file properly. But as you can see, new orders are coming in. So this is how the process works. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and want a custom software, contact us today.